He is from Melbourne, 37 years old. He's not happy. Thinning at the crown rapidly, mid-scalp a bit, and the front area too a little. He used to have his hair long and trying to cover the balding area. But today he came to Gold Just, and we are able to tackle his problem with his smart FU technique to fill up the balding area. Patient have grown his hair at the side longer, so he's able to hide the hair that thinning or the balding area here. As we open, we can see it. And today is day 3. We already fill up the graft in the crown area. He have just completed the smart graft care. We are looking into all the graft. There's no bleeding. There's no any dislodgement. All the graft is intact according to the angle, direction and density international standard. This is the crown. This is the mid-scalp we fill up too, and the frontal area we fill up. So we fill up the front area, the mid-scalp and the crown. The advantage of this today is patient still able to cover the area that we have grafted, and today no one can be noticed that he have done a smart FEE procedure, and this is hidden, undetectable.